Alright folks, it's Big Daddy here again. I wanted to make a quick video on cargo scooping. I know that a few people were having some issues with that, so I'm also going to take this opportunity to talk a bit about the radar display. As you can see here, I'm at the Porta space station and I'm looking directly at it, and what I'm going to do is kind of show you what it means, because you're dealing with a cube here in space, where things can be above you and below you, and you can not necessarily, you can be traveling parallel, or I should say on parallel planes, so you'll never really intersect them unless you kind of understand what's going on here. So when you look at it, and let's say the green arrow you see there, that's Porta Station. Right now, Porta Station is below the plane that I'm traveling on, even though I'm looking at it. If I were to go straight ahead, I'd probably ding off of that ring, but straight ahead there, I'd pass right over it. So the farther I go, the more distance that arrow gets from that green dot. So if I were to travel forward like this, obviously I'd get closer to that green circle on my radar screen. I'd still be above Porta, so I'd have to pitch down to get on the same plane with that. So that's kind of a key component to understanding what's out there and how to pick up cargo. So as you can see, I'm going to come up on this cargo here. So right now this cargo is above me, and I'm pitching down to where I'm on the same plane as that cargo. I'll go ahead and target it, so it shows up on my hologram there, and I'm going to go ahead and open my cargo scope. So this is where, depending on your hardware, whether you're a keyboard, game controller, or joystick, you're going to need to really understand how your thrusters work. I'll give you, we'll start doing this live here. So right now I'm 1.7 kilometers away from it. I'm going a little fast, so my cargo indicator is warning me that I'm approaching it too fast. It'll go back to blue, letting me know. As you can see, those boxes will grow outwards, and that's kind of a visual idea of how much speed you're using to get up on this cargo pod. So let me get a little bit closer to it. So the whole point of this is you want to get that cargo right in the crosshair. So right now what I'm just doing is I moved laterally to the left. I'm going to go to the right. I'm going to increase my height just a bit, right? Obviously I may not be centered on it. We'll find out as I grow closer. I'm not exactly centered. So I need to pitch or drop down a bit and scoot right. Seems like my pitch is right on though. And just get that targeted right in there. And this is where you really want to slow down. These things are, you can bump them a little bit, but you don't want to bump them hard. So this is where, using that keyboard, if you were to use a game controller and you double tapped that forward thruster or tapped it too many times in close procession, you're going to boost, you're going to blow right through that cargo and destroy it. So use the keyboard, that way you get real fine. And there you go, cargo acquired. That's really as simple as it is to scoop cargo. It just, be mindful of how fast you're coming in at it, center it in that crosshair, and take your time.